If you have a few grand to spend on a used car, there are plenty of sensible, down-to-earth options that'll get you where you need to go. But if the unrelenting mundanity of a used Toyota or Subaru leaves you wanting more from life, there are also much better options, like my 1994 Mercedes Benz S320, which you can now buy for just $3,000. You might think that's a lot of money for a Mercedes with 470,000 kilometers on the clock. But what other cars could you get for $3,000 that give you double glazed electrically adjustable memory seats, electrically adjustable rearview mirror, rear vanity mirrors, and 6 months registration, and enough leather and wood to make the whole thing feel like a rolling cigar lounge? The beating heart of this blue whale is a bulletproof 3.2 litre inline-six, which sends 228 horsepower to the rear through a silky smooth 4-speed transmission. And once you're on the move, the sponge cake suspension soaks up the bumps in a way that makes every other car feel like an ox cart. There's hardly any road noise either, but even if there was, the factory Bose stereo does such a good job of tuning it out that you'd forgive it instantly. The only downside is that the CD changer is in the boot, so swapping albums out requires a bit of forward planning. Of course, there are a few quirks. The sunroof is sinking, the aircon's broken, central locking doesn't work either, and the throttle pedal's stiff. And the rear windows only have a few more ups and downs in them before they get stuck forever. But if you're willing to forgive those small issues, this might just be the best bad decision you ever make.